Imagine commanding the very words that appear on your players' screens, transforming simple chat messages into dynamic, interactive experiences. Today, we're diving into the powerful Tellraw command in Minecraft, your key to unlocking custom chat messages that go far beyond plain text. This command is your ultimate tool for conveying information, guiding players, or even creating mini-games directly through the chat interface. At its core, Tellraw uses a special structure called JSON to define your messages. Think of JSON as a set of instructions that tells Minecraft exactly how to display each part of your text. Let's start with the basics. Formatting: you can make your messages bold, italic, underlined, or even strike through, giving them emphasis and making them stand out. Color is your next best friend. Assigning colors to different parts of your message creates visual hierarchy, making it easier for players to digest information quickly. But here's where it gets really exciting: interactivity. You can create text that players can click on. This can link directly to websites, open in-game menus, or even trigger other commands. This is invaluable for server administrators. Announce server events with clear, branded messages, provide essential rules with clickable links to wikis, or even create custom quests with narrative text. Building these complex messages involves carefully layering these formatting and interactive elements within the JSON structure. It's like building with digital Lego bricks for your chat. Mastering: Tellraw will elevate your Minecraft server, making communication engaging, informative, and truly memorable for every player.